4 ways to increase bookings really fast, okay? Number 1, have you ever thought about offering gift cards? Gift cards is a great way to increase sales, and especially during Mother's Day, Christmas, the holidays, this is something you definitely should be promoting, that you offer gift cards or gift certificates. The second thing that you could be doing is, have you tried networking with a local restaurant? You could network with them for maybe a free kids night and have a booth and say, hey, I'll take photos of your event if I can have a booth there, and then offer a giveaway at your booth. This is going to increase leads, which could potentially increase bookings. The next thing that we want to do is we want to make sure we are offering payment plan packages for all of our packages, okay? Sometimes people want to book, but maybe they can't afford to do it all up front. So this gives them the opportunity to pay in installments. The next thing that we want to do is we want to make sure we are posting on our personal profile. Sometimes we get so busy posting on all these different business social media profiles that we have that we forget to, hey, post it over on our personal. Our friends and family, they want to support us, so this is a great thing to do. So if you would want more ways to increase your sales and your bookings this year, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me over on TikTok, where I give daily tips for your photography business.